Learn Icelandic future tense. I will do.
Ég mun gera.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to future-proof your Icelandic with laughs and quick wins? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll nail the future tense with will do, make, I will do.
Ég mun gera.
He will do.
Hann mun gera.
She will do.
Hún mun gera.
We will do.
Við munum gera.
You, plural, will do.
Þið munuð gera.
It will make.
Það mun gera.
And the base verb.
Gera.
Let's do this. Actually, let's.
Gera.
This. Your goal today. You'll speak clear future promises using moon plus gera. Easy pattern, big power. I will do.
Ég mun gera.
He will do.
Hann mun gera.
She will do.
Hún mun gera.
We will do.
Við munum gera.
You, plural, will do.
Þið munuð gera.
It will make.
Það mun gera.
Base verb. Do, make.
Gera.
Formula. Subject plus.
Mun.
Future helper, plus.
Gera.
Do, make. Forms and rhythm. Clap the beat and speak. Rhythm makes memory sticky. Clap, clap. Say, I will do.
Ég mun gera.
Point at, he.
Hann mun gera.
Thumbs up. Nod for, she.
Hún mun gera.
Confident. Group huddle.
Við munum gera.
Team power. Speak to a crew.
Þið munuð gera.
You got this. Press the magic button.
Það mun gera.
A difference. Core engine word.
Gera.
The Swiss Army verb. Mini dialogues. Listen and echo the punchlines. Keep it snappy and smile. A. Who's fixing the printer? B. Relax.
Hann mun gera.
All after cafe. A. The chair is wobbly. B. No stress.
Hún mun gera.
V.A. Morgan. Coach. The plan? Team.
Við munum gera.
Orphea Luton first. Guide to the whole group. When we arrive.
Þið munuð gera.
Uppsettinguna Oki? Engineer. Flip this switch.
Það mun gera.
Kerfi stut. Me, whispering to my to-do list, chill.
Ég mun gera.
Ostrax efter essa kaffesopa. Narrator. And the verb behind it all?
Gera.
Quick drills. Say it out loud. Your mouth is your best flashcard. Say, I will do it.
Ég mun gera það.
Say, he will do it today.
Hann mun gera.
I dag. Say, she will do the homework.
Hún mun gera.
Heimavinnuna. Say, we will do our best.
Við munum gera.
Okkar besta. Say to a group, you will do the first task.
Þið munuð gera.
First of verkefni. Say, it will make a difference.
Það mun gera.
Gifamun. Bonus. Base verb check. Say just do, make.
Gera.
Culture tip. Edda reddest energy. Icelanders love a calm, can-do vibe, problems meet action. When you hear the spirit of Edda reddest, it'll work out, you can answer with action.
Ég mun gera.
Or share the load.
Við munum gera.
Saman. Talk to a whole crew? Empower them.
Þið munuð gera.
Fyrstu skrifin. And when a tiny tweak saves the day, smile.
Það mun gera.
Gifamun. Also, keep loving the versatile verb.
Gera.
It's everywhere. Funny lightning quiz. Answer fast, no overthinking, just smiling. Q. English. Icelandic. I will do. A.
Ég mun gera.
Q. Which one talks to a group? A.
Þið munuð gera.
Q. Fill it. She will do it.
Hún mun gera.
A. Q. The base verb, do, make, is. A.
Gera.
Q. It will make it easier.
Það mun gera.
A avaldera. Q. Team promise. We will do it.
Við munum gera.
A. Challenge and goodbye. One final push. You've got this. Your 30-second challenge. Point at things around you and say what will happen using moon plus.
Gera.
Example. This checklist?
Ég mun gera.
A nuna. The setup?
Þið munuð gera.
A after cafe. Tiny change?
Það mun gera.
Gifamun. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines daily and your future tense will feel effortless. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more lessons, drills, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Sjoust. See you next time.